Our objective for the day is students will solve problems involving application of right triangle ratio. Our learning target of the day is students will be able to find the missing side of a triangle using sine formula. Our essential question for the day is how can I find the value of the missing side in a given triangle using sine formula? Define law of sines. The law of sines can be used to solve triangles that are not right triangles. Important part to note over here is it says not right triangles. The law of sines formula is lowercase a over sine of a is equal to lowercase b over sine of b is equal to lowercase c over sine of c, where lowercase a, b and c represent sides and uppercase a, uppercase b and uppercase c represent angles of a triangle. In some of the books you will see law of sines will be represented by this formula also. Sine A over A is equal to sine B over B is equal to sine C over C. Both representation are same. Either you can represent by this or you can use this representation also. But in our class we will be using this representation of law of sines. Question. If A is equal to 33 degree, B is equal to 105 degree, lowercase b is 37.9, find lowercase a. Important thing to note over here is look at the value of these two angles. It is 105 degree, this is 33 degree. Because of this angle is greater than 90 degree, you cannot use Pythagorean theorem over here, so you will use law of sines. How you do this is, first of all you write law of sines is, what is law of sines? A over sine of A is equal to B over sine of B is equal to C over sine of C. Now come back to the question over here and let's read. It says uppercase A is 33. What you will do is you will come back over here and you will circle this ratio over here. It says uppercase B is 105. You will come back and circle this one which is having uppercase B. Now look over here, they gave you uppercase A, they gave you uppercase B, we have been given lowercase b, lowercase a. In this question it is not talking about C, so we will not take this ratio. So the ratio which we are using in this question is A over sine A is equal to B over sine of B. What I will do is I will start substituting the values in this proportion over here. What is lowercase a? They have not given me lowercase a, so I have to find the value of lowercase a. What is the value of uppercase a? 33. So I will write it over here. Sine of what? 33 degrees. Equal sign. What is the value of lowercase b? Lowercase b is 37.9 divided by sine and uppercase b. So uppercase b is what? 105 degree. Now if you will pay attention over here, I have specifically changed color many times to let you know that when you are inserting the values of A and B, make sure you have sign also over here. So don't uh, forget sign over here. Now after this what you will do is, ladies and gentlemen, you will cross multiply. So it will look like this: A times sine 105 degree is equal to 37.9 times sine of 33 degrees. So what we will do after this step is, since we have to find the value of A, I will get rid of this sine 105. How I can get rid of sine 105? By dividing sine 105 from both the sides. So this will be cancelled out, and I'm doing the remaining part over here for you. So now what you will do is you will type this entire ratio in the calculator to find your answer. So this is my calculator over here. So I will use the fraction button. This is 37.9 times sine. So this is my sine 33, and make sure you delete 33. Make sure you close the parenthesis, that's very important, divided by sine, or it will give you answer as error. Now if you will pay attention, I'm not putting the degree symbol because my calculator is in the degree mode over here. If you look on your calculator, you will see D over here, and you press the equal button, it gives you answer 21.36. So I will come back over here and I write my answer 21.36. This is the value of lowercase a or side A in this question. If uppercase A is 35 degree, uppercase C is 70 degree, find lowercase a and lowercase c. So my step number 1, I will write my law of sines. Law of sines is A over sine A is equal to B over sine of B is equal to C over sine of C. Please pay proper attention when you are using lowercase c or uppercase c. This is uppercase c, this is lowercase c. Now I have been given uppercase A, so I will circle this ratio over here. Check, I have been given uppercase C, I will circle this ratio over here. I have been given lowercase a, so I have both the values, and I have to find lowercase c. So my ratio will be this, which I will be using for this question. Please, again a reminder, pay proper attention while you are inserting the values of lowercase c and uppercase c. Lowercase a is 10 over sine of A. What is the value of A? It is a 35 degree. So this is your 35 degree over here. Okay, then afterwards equal sign. Lowercase c, we have to find lowercase c. And this says sine of uppercase c. Uppercase c is what? It is 70 degree. Now after this step, what you do is you cross multiply. When you cross multiply, it will be like this: 10 times sine 70 degree is equal to C times sine of 35 degree. Now, so what value we have to find? We have to find the value of what? C. So I will divide, I will make sure this is isolated, this is alone. I will divide both the sides by what number? This one, sine 35 over here. When I do this, what happens is this gets cancelled out, and what I'm left over with? I'm left over with what? Only C. So C is what? 10 times sine of 70 degree divided by sine of 35 degree. I can type my values in my calculator, which will give my answer for me. So this is my calculator over here. So this is your 10 times sine 70 close parentheses will come down. This is your sine 35. You close parentheses, and your answer is what? 16.38. So I'll write it over here. Your answer is 16.38. That's your answer for this question. Let's look at one more practice problem. If uppercase B is 100 degree, uppercase C is 40 degree, lowercase c is 30, find lowercase b. So I'll write it over here. Law of sines is, now in this case what I can do is, since I know it is not talking about A, so I can only write it from here. I can only take those two ratios over here. B over sine B is equal to lowercase c over sine of C. I can do this. So what is my lowercase b? I have to find lowercase b over sine of uppercase b. What is uppercase b? That's your 100 degree. So I'll write it over here, 100 degree. Equal sign lowercase c is 30 divided by sine uppercase c is what? 40 degree. What I have seen is many students, they make mistake when they are entering the value of lowercase c and uppercase c. Please do keep in mind lowercase c is side, uppercase c is angle. You cannot uh, mix them. You will multiply this, so it is your b times sine of 40 degree is equal to 30 times sine of 100 degree. So after this, what I will do is I will be isolating my b, so I will divide both the sides by this value, sine 40 degree over here. This is like we are solving equations. This will be cancelled out and it will be like this, b is equal to 30 times sine of 100 degree divided by what? Sine of 40 degree. So I will substitute all of the values in the calculator and then we go from there. So this is my 30 times sine of 100. I will close parentheses and in the denominator I am having what? I am having sine of 40 degree. Close parentheses and this is my answer over here, 45.96. So my value of B is what? 45.96 and this is my answer for this question. Okay, let's practice one more question. Again, if lowercase b is 10, uppercase a is 25 degree, uppercase b is 40 degree, find lowercase a. So step number one is what? Step number one is I will write my law of sines. So what is law of sines? In this case, I don't see c over here. I'll write it like this, a over sine of a is equal to b over sine of b. After this, what I will do is I will substitute my values over here. I do not know lowercase a, but I know the value of uppercase is 25 degree. So I write it over here, sine of 25 degree equal sign lowercase b is 10 and this says what? Sine of b is what? 45 degree. So you can cross multiply over here. So it will give you a times sine of 45 degree is equal to 10 times sine of what? 25 degree. The steps are same after this. I've been doing the same steps. What I will do is I will divide both the sides by what? By sine of 45 degree. This will be cancelled out and it's a sine of 45 degree. So what I need to do is I need to substitute these values in my calculator to find my what? Answer over here. 10 times sine 25 over sine of what? 45 degrees. So and which will give me my what? Final answer over here. So let's use our calculator for this. So this is your 10 times sine 25, close the parentheses, come down, sine of 45, close parentheses, and your answer is 5.97. So lowercase a is what? 5.97 and this is my value of side A.